Are you sick of trying to think about what you're going to post online for your content?
But before we dive in, save and share this video with people you care.
Here's a hack that's really helped me over the last couple of days really free up my thinking and get creative with what I want to post. So if you just type in the search bar a topic, what you need to start digital marketing. So here you'll see all the videos that are coming up. You'll see these ideas of what people have searched for. You can click on them, you can get other ideas. But this is what people want to see, guys. This is it. This is what they want to see. Now, if you go to filters, let's find something that's relevant this month. So click this month. Now, these are all the videos this month. Now, you can go back to what others have searched for here, right? That's one way to do it. The other way that's really, I think is really clever actually, is let's find a video that has some comments, some likes. Let's go Meg, she's one of the goats. We'll go to the comments and have a look at the comments. See what people are asking for. Example here, Hemo, what do you say is the hardest thing you and other people have faced? So let's just go to our notes and we copy and paste that comment in our notes. And that's pretty much it, guys. You can see here I've got a bit of a list going on already. But these are all content ideas. This is what your viewers want to see. This is really what they want to know. This is what's going to be engaging for them. If you have any other questions, guys, please reach out. Don't be afraid.
If you want to learn how to leverage sweet content to excel with affiliate marketing and make up to $10,000 monthly, check the link in my profile for free case start.